Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, June 13, 2025. Jamaica has officially opened its state-of-the-art forensic pathology autopsy suite, the first facility of its kind in the Western Hemisphere. Located in downtown Kingston, the 16,700 square foot facility was commissioned during a ceremony on Thursday. It houses a firearm and DNA unit and has the capacity to accommodate up to 150 cases. The new suite forms a critical component of the country's national security infrastructure and is part of the government's broader Plan Secure Jamaica program. Speaking at the commissioning ceremony, Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang said the facility is designed to significantly enhance the forensic capabilities of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the wider justice system.
As we complete the development of the legal men's unit, we expect that we can deliver quality prosecuting evidence, even in complex cases, in a quickly and timely manner to the courts, so that the prosecutors can proceed with their case, the courts get to an end, and we have judgment and continued move, and not overcrowding and delays in the criminal justice system. This facility provides the appropriate facilities and will be able to give you a certain level of certitude in your quality evidence, and definitely much better technical, not only technical quality, but the entire presentation of cases.
The suite will also serve as a regional hub for training the next generation of forensic scientists.
Jamaica now has a forensic legal institute that can provide exposure and training to all our Caribbean friends and brothers, and in fact raise the quality of our jurisprudence. That's what it does in the long run. And that it is among the best now with the completion of the suite.
Food handlers will soon benefit from a 2-year permit validity period effective January 1, 2026. That's the word from Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton. The measure forms part of the Environmental Health Unit's overhaul of the National Food Handlers Training and Certification Program. First announced during his sectoral presentation in Parliament Tuesday, the initiative was further explained during Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. Dr. Tufton shared that more than 300,000 Jamaicans apply for and renew permits annually.
People wait quite long, and sometimes half the year for a 12-month permit is spent trying to qualify for the permit. It's highly inefficient, and it's quite frustrating to entrepreneurs, many of whom are small business operators, the bar owners, the jerk stand man, or larger players.
In addition to extending the permit term, bill payment and bank transfer options will also be introduced next year.
Implement a bimodal modular training format to reduce certification processing time from 3 weeks to 2 weeks. Introduce new technology to facilitate faster and more efficient processing to eliminate delays and backlogs. Cadre of professionally trained food handlers, so we're going to increase the staff, and the application process points, reducing wait time and enhancing delivery.
In related news, $3.88 billion has been put towards upgrading primary care facilities island-wide over the past 5 years. Portfolio Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton highlighted the investments during his sectoral presentation in Parliament on Tuesday. The expenditure is being made through the regional health authorities under the Health System Strengthening Program and the Operation Refresh Initiative.
And it's all there. 99 million for Westmoreland, 87 million for Trelawney, 205 million for St. James, 49 million for Hanover, and I could go on and on. Every single parish have gotten an allocation for health centers as part of our primary reform upgrades.
Minister Tufton says the funds are delivering more accessible, integrated, and patient-centered care across communities.
In addition to the addition of services and improved infrastructure, we are making available more points of care for the people of Jamaica, even as we adopt the life stage approach, which accounts for, among other things, biological, behavioral, and social factors that influence a person's health and well-being from birth to old age.
These reforms align with the government's vision for Health 2030, a 10-year strategic plan launched in 2021 to reimagine Jamaica's primary healthcare system. Come this September, students in rural Jamaica will pay a flat rate of $50 per trip under the Rural School Bus Program. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz made the announcement in Parliament on Tuesday. noting that the initiative will bring significant cost savings for parents and improve student safety.
It is estimated that parents will save 180,000 Jamaican dollars per child per year. Some of them have 2, 3, 4, and 5 children. Currently, it costs parents in rural Jamaica anywhere from $150 to $300 per trip in the morning and in the evening. So you're talking about $300 to $600 a day, and it can increase. This bus system is going to have a flat fare of $50. No matter which route you're taking, which parish you're in, each student will pay $50 per trip, meaning 100 Jamaican dollars per day.
A total of 110 buses will be deployed for the 2025-2026 academic year. 60 will be road ready in September 2025, 40 more will be retrofitted by January 2026, and 10 will be kept as backup units.
So, Mr. Speaker, we have 850 rural schools, of which the phase 1 of this program is going to serve 258. 30% of the school rural population will be served by these first 110 buses. And within 3 years, this policy will continue to roll out year after year to make sure that within 3 years we can get to all 850 schools at a very cost-effective price. The cost with everything for 1 year for these 110 buses is a little under $1.5 billion.
Jamaica's dairy industry is set to be revitalized through the importation of 250 high-quality dairy cows this year. The move is being executed under the Jamaica Dairy Development Board, JDDB's Livestock Improvement Program. Chief Technical Director in the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, Orville Palmer, made the announcement during a recent World Milk Day ceremony at the Brownstown Primary School in St. Anne. He noted that additional imports are planned in the coming years to further expand the national herd.
In fact, this program has already started with the evaluation of the Jamaica Hope cattle. In addition, the Jamaica Dairy Development Board will also embark on a dedicated program to enhance our indigenous breed, including the Jamaica Hope, the Jamaica Black, the Jamaica Red, and the Jamaican Brahman.
Parish-based training for farmers will also be ramped up, focusing on animal care, hygiene, and value-added production. JDDB's Chief Executive Officer Devon Sayers says despite past challenges, the Dairy Board is committed to redeveloping the sector.
The Jamaica dairy farmers stay committed to the choice. They choose to become farmers and they stand with us in producing nutritious milk for everybody in the country.
World Milk Day 2025 was celebrated under the theme, The Power of Dairy. And finally, in a call for stronger fatherhood, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness is urging Jamaican fathers to become more involved in their children's lives, especially in communities vulnerable to gang influence. Speaking at a Father's Appreciation program on Thursday, Dr. Holness stressed the importance of active parenting.
We need more of our fathers to be prepared not just to walk up to the school gate, but we need them to be able to participate in the PTAs, to spend more time at the child's school with their sports and other extracurricular activities to ensure that your children do well.
He also paid tribute to fathers who consistently provide for their children.
We honor those fathers who play their role, who make the sacrifice, whether it is for the school fee, the lunch money, or a significant moment in the development of their child, that they ensure that those moments can be realized.
The Prime Minister's Father's Day Appreciation Program celebrated the contributions of fathers serving in the Office of the Cabinet, the Office of the Prime Minister, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.